DCFSA eligibility requirements. Who is eligible to enroll in a DCFSA offered by the Department of Defense? This video will help service members determine if they are eligible for this new benefit to support military families. Dependent Care Flexible Spending Accounts, or DCFSAs, will be available for enrollment this year for service members. If you are a DoD civilian, you are already eligible for a DCFSA and can enroll during open season, and if you experience a qualifying life event. Starting in Federal Open Season 2023, active component service members and active Guard Reserve members on Title 10 orders will be eligible to enroll in a DCFSA. You must also have an eligible dependent with eligible expenses to enroll. Eligible dependents include a child under the age of 13 or any other tax dependent who is mentally or physically incapable of self-care, regardless of age. While future phases of implementation are planned to expand eligibility for additional service members, the following categories will not be eligible for enrollment during the 2023 Federal Open Season. Reserve component service members other than Title 10 AGR members, uniformed members of the United States Coast Guard, United States Public Health Service, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The IRS requirements for dependent care assistant programs require that both spouses, if married, be employed, seeking employment, or a full-time student to qualify. This is not a requirement for a spouse who is physically or mentally incapable of self-care. For spouses who are full-time students or physically or mentally incapable of self-care, you are considered to have $250 per month in earned income for your first dependent and $500 per month in earned income if you have two or more dependents. Finally, your tax filing status affects the amount you are able to contribute to your DCFSA. If you are a single head of household or married filing jointly, you may contribute up to $5,000 towards your DCFSA, or up to the lesser of you or your spouse's income. For example, if your spouse is expected to earn $3,000 a year, then $3,000 is the maximum amount that your household may contribute to your DCFSA. If you are married filing separately, your contribution is limited to $2,500. The minimum contribution for all enrollees is $100. There are many ways your employment or marital status may potentially impact your eligibility for a DCFSA. Be sure to check out Military OneSource and the DoD Office of Financial Readiness's resources for more information about the DCFSAs. Tax professionals and personal financial counselors are available free of cost to service members and their families to help you decide if a DCFSA is right for you.